It's always the small mods that make the biggest difference. Today we're going to be installing a Steeda clutch spring assist and perch kit for this Focus ST. Here we have the Steeda clutch spring assist and perch kit fitting your 2013 Plus Focus ST and 2016 Plus Focus RS. First things first, the clutch spring. What it does is help the pedal move back to the resting position after you've pressed on the clutch pedal. The factory spring that Ford includes on the Focuses is pretty darn strong. So what we did is we offered a lighter spring rate for that clutch spring to allow for a more positive engagement with the clutch pedal. So there's two potential solutions to get a little bit more feedback in your clutch on your Focus. The first one is removing the factory spring altogether. This is a viable option if you're looking to get a little bit more feel in the clutch pedal itself, but it does have a huge downside, and that is that the clutch pedal will not return eventually. It will wear down and will not return all the way back up, meaning that it could rest right where the clutch engages, causing premature wear on your clutch system. That's where the Steeda Clutch Spring Assist and Perch Kit comes in, because it has a lighter spring rate, allowing for more feel in the clutch pedal, but it will get that clutch pedal all the way back up so you don't have premature wear on your system. It really is a win-win. We offer this clutch spring in two different kits. You can buy the clutch spring itself. That means you would have to pull apart your factory perch, and sometimes that plastic is brittle and can potentially break. So we offer it with the perch as well. So you pull out your factory spring and perch, toss it aside, and put the Steeda unit right in its place. Next up, we're going to show you a step-by-step installation on how to install this on your Focus. Stay tuned. Here are the tools required to install your Focus Clutch Spring Assist. First, get your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. A little tip here is to either use your hand or get a prop rod, like a broom or something along those lines. We used a breaker bar to push the clutch pedal and hold it all the way down. Next, get a screwdriver or pry tool and pop the old clutch spring out by pressing up on the lower spring bucket. And simply install the new clutch spring assist by seating it into place and pushing the lower spring bucket into the factory bracket. You'll have to do this by placing the left side in first and then the right. And after that, carefully remove what you have holding the clutch pedal down, check for operation, make sure everything feels right, and you're good to go. Adding the Steeda clutch spring is one of those modifications that rewards you every time you hit the clutch pedal, whether you're going down the drag strip or having some fun on the back roads. It's a super easy installation, literally takes you about 5 minutes even for a complete novice. Comment below and let us know what other Focus ST and RS parts you want to see us install on the YouTube channel. We haven't forgotten about you guys. Hit us up right here at Steeda.com for all of your Focus part and accessory needs, as well as a ton of other Fords as well. Comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.